How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about two big spy trades we caught today inside Team Bull. These were called out live and these printed. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. I like to keep these videos short and to the point. Do your part by clicking that thumbs up button and subscribing. Now, very simple trade, but had high conviction in this trade. I went full size from the start. This is the opening 5-minute candle here. As you can see, we come up, come down, started consolidating. Looking at price action here, we wanted to go up. We made this prior day close, this 415.23 resistance. And also, if you look on the hourly, that 415.3 is the resistance there as well. Come up, was hitting it. This candle here, I really liked it, okay? Really liked it. This one was kind of, a little indecision from what I can tell. But this candle here is where I took my trade. We had a nice increasing buying volume down here. As soon as I seen the bids cross above this 415.23, that's where I entered calls. I said I'm going long here with SPY calls. Got in this trade, and it did exactly what we wanted it to do. Now look at this price target we had on this first trade. I took 2 trades today. So our price target was 4,170. Come up, hit it perfectly. Contracts had absolutely exploded by this point. I closed my position here. We followed our exact game plan. I'm very happy with my execution, and I love seeing Team Bull members do well. Now keep in mind, once we broke above this, I said, okay, we've broke that resistance, so I'm going to look for an entry off that resistance. So when we broke this resistance, I said, okay, I'm going to look for a pullback to this newfound support. What used to be resistance turn support, and I want to go long again. I'm going to give it a try. I'll stop out if we fail that. We pull back to it. We got back in SPY calls here based off this level. And if you're looking at SPY chart, this is the candle here we took that off of. And that's how I like to interrupt trends, okay? You have to wait on a nice pullback. You do not want to chase. Pull back, took calls here. We caught this move up to that price target that you've seen on SPX that I showed you. And this was a reject level I had on my watch list pre-market, this 417.62. Come up, got out of this trade here. Absolutely amazing day. Very basic stuff, but very effective. Like I said, I had very high conviction today. To sum up the 2 trades today really quickly, took a nice breakout trade here. Once we broke out of this, we did have a squeeze. Brandon confirmed the squeeze. We had a squeeze on the daily. That's what this move here is that you see. We broke out, got in calls here, caught this beautiful move up, broke through resistance on SPX, come back down, re-entered on a separate trade, caught the move up again. 2 beautiful SPY trades today. Definitely my biggest day thus far this week. And that's all I have for this video. I hope this kind of gives you a why behind the levels, what I've seen, how I like to enter. Keep in mind, one very important detail I said, I look for the bids to get above that level before entering. A lot of times, if you don't wait on them bids, if they're below that level, you'll get caught in a rejection instead of a breakout. So you always want to see a nice increase in volume, and you want the bids above that Q level. And that's all I have for this video. I just want to say I appreciate all my subscribers, all the people who watch my YouTube. Always here to try to help you all out. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.